Yeah, yeah. I saw it in the way they looked at me, like I never fit your world. Every laugh behind my back felt like I was just a blur. Niliona walivyonitazama kama sifai kuwa nawe. Pole pole ukabadilika, ukawa mbali bila kusema. I tried to hold what we had tight, but I was losing every fight. I know your friends didn't like me, didn't want you next to me. Walikuwa na nguvu juu yako, mimi sikuweza kukushika. Ndagira agahinda mu mutima. Their voices one, and you let me go. You started seeing what they saw, doubting things you loved before. Every word they put in your mind turned our love into goodbye. Ulisahau tulikotoka, ukasahau nilivyokujali. Maneno yao yakawa sheria, na mimi nikawa si chochote. Maybe I never stood a chance against the circle you won't challenge. I know your friends didn't like me, so you slowly stopped choosing me. Influence yao ilikuwa kubwa, ilinisukuma nje ya moyo wako. Ndarushe kubirwanya jenyine. Their voices one, I lost you. Love should be stronger than the crowd, but you listen way too loud. If it was real, you stand your ground. Now let them tear it down. Shaka ko wari uhagaze, ariko waranyuze ogusa. I know your friends didn't like me, but I thought you'd fight for me. Kama ulinitaka kweli, ungechagua sisi wao. So kwibuka ivyabaye. Their voices one, but I'll move on. So I walk away, no more pain. I won't fight that war again. Nilipenda kwa dhati, lakini hawakuniruhusu kukupata.